Twitter is always a buzz with Radhika Apte Netflix memes, and there are a lot of people who say कि यार राधिका आप्टे तो Netflix की बेटी है, लेकिन ये जो नई फिल्म आ रही रात अकेली है, उसमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि Netflix वाले अपनी बेटी की शादी करवा रहे हैं, and that's given them a new whodunit story directed by Hani Trihan comes out on the 31st of July on Netflix. राधिका, ये जो आपका और Netflix का रिश्ता है, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? What is this special relationship between you and this platform?
It's an affair, I think. Because it's like sometimes it's there, sometimes one person forgets the other, then they reunite, then other people are jealous, they think it's not really appropriate, then they judge, and it's all quite unpredictable, the relationship.
But eventually it does seem like that song that Lakshmi sang for you in Padman, Aaj se meri sari dunya teri ho gayi. It seems to be back on course, doesn't it?
No, I think, okay, I'm just joking, but I think, it's a funny association which no one dreamt of, really. I mean, it wasn't planned for. And I love it. I mean, there was there to not like? It's a great platform. I'm a big follower. Like, one of the regular audiences, and they have very quality projects, and so it's great to be associated with them. And I actually really love the memes. I would always welcome more memes, and
Right. Let's talk to the first time director. Triyan साहब, you've been a casting director for almost 2 decades now. Is it true कि हर casting director के अंदर एक director छुपा होता है? तो आपने रात अकेली है के बारे में सोचकर कितनी रातें बिताई है?
कई रातें बिताई हैं, and actually that's another thing. Like, people knew me for my casting work, but I started my career as an assistant director and to associate director to Mr. Vishal Bharadwaj, and I spent decade and a half with him. And before that, I was also a theater director. So the direction was one thing which I was always pursuing. And in between one film to another film, whatever the spare time I used to have, I used to like to do the casting for other films and other filmmakers. And that was started as a survival in the film industry, but it paid off well.
Radhika, you born in Tamil Nadu, you grew up in Pune, Maharashtrian girl, spent a fair bit of time in London as well. Now, how does a person like you get into the mental orbit of a girl who's from Zilla Morena, Chambal, accent alag hai? Does it take a lot of prep, or do you just go by instinct and go with what the director says?
I mean, emotional journeys, yes, you need to do some research, understand the value system, the situation, build up the character, which is like a normal thing you do with any character. But this particularly was different because she comes from a very specific region. And the hardest part for me was the dialect, because it's so easy to get caught up, get called out saying that she doesn't sound right at all. And luckily, Honey knows it so well that he was the one calling me out all the time, which is great. In the sense, I'd rather be, corrected 100 times than be criticized later on. So we did a lot of prep for that, and we were trying very hard till the end because I wasn't very good at it. But that was the hardest part, I think, for me.
Honey, how does an experienced casting director go about casting for his own film? Is it a tougher, trickier decision?
Not really. I think that helps also because all these actors who are there in my film, somewhere I have worked with them and I have cast them in different films or so I think in my case it kind of helped me. Like, whosoever I went to, I want you in my film, and everybody was happily there for me, and I think it kind of in my favor only.
मैंने एंड क्रेडिट्स में देखा अतुल मोंगे has been given credits for an acting workshop. Is there a new trend? ये नया चलन है, and what exactly happens in these acting workshops? Radhika, do all actors participate, or is it only a few select actors?
I mean, the intention is that all actors participate, obviously. All as in those who like, for example, in this film we are all part of a household. We've had history together. We've known each other. We have certain equations, and it's not really possible to just meet on set for the first time and have them planned out. Like just sorry, come up with it. Sorry. So we did individual work, but then in the workshop we were actually trying to get a chemistry going between us, and to stand together as a household. So for us it was very important, I think.
And tell me, what does it take? The one scene that I absolutely loved was the first time Nawaz meets you and you shut the door on him. What's that first? Is that, do you shoot it chronologically? What's the icebreaker like? Do you take a black coffee shot before going into a powerful scene like that? What's that zone like?
You have to have a lot of coffees because we did a lot of night shifts. But that particular shot was quite technical, no? It was right also
Yeah,
in the middle of the night, and it was quite technical because you had to do three
yeah.
magnifications, the whole thing coming in that small area, and you had to go like that, walk in a certain pace, blah blah blah.
हनी, आपके लिए इमोशनल ज्यादा क्या होगा, पहला सीन या फिर एंड क्रेडिट्स में से जिसमें आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को थैंक यू बोला है? विशाल भारद्वाज, अनुराग कश्यप, सुरेश तिवारी, लंबी लिस्ट है आपकी.
Gee, I think all these people have helped me to become what I am today. And but yeah, the first scene is the first shot of the film is the first moment what I carry, because that's the beginning of everything.
Radhika, very little credit is often given to writers in the industry. Now, of course, things are changing. So, tell me about Smita Singh, who's written the dialogues as well. Tell me a little bit more about her, and how closely do you work with the writer of any piece of content that you work on?
Normally, I've never worked with a writer that closely in any project, but this. I mean, in this project, I think Hani, Smita, and I used to sit together and we built the character, did a lot of readings together in the beginning. I really like Smita. She has a very independent, original voice, and she feels so strongly about patriarchy. And even at that time when we were sitting together, Me Too was like at its peak. So a lot of conversations about that, and she's tried to sort of incorporate that, but not drastically do like write unrealistic characters. Obviously, the characters are very realistic. They're filled with flaws and everything. So she's, I think, a really great writer to look forward to.
हनी, एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की इस फिल्म में कि दो गाने छोटे छोटे 45 सेकंड 1 मिनट के आसपास, एक है जागो जागो एंड द अदर वन इज ऊँगता ऊँगता. इज देयर अ कॉन्शियस एफर्ट कि छोटा सा ही पीस रखा जाए? कई बार टेम्पटेशन होती है
No,
ना कि चलो लेट्स इंडल्ज.
no. Ungta Ungta song comes twice. First time only the Mukhda comes, and then later Nawaz when his journey starts, and the entire song comes. And
Okay.
only Jago is the one song which comes, only the 2-3 line which comes, and then there's another song Aadhe Aadhe Se Hum. That's the complete song is there.
तो ये
Yeah.
बताइए, स्नेहा स्नेहा को आपने क्या ब्रीफ किया था जब ये फिल्म के बारे में आपने उनको बोला? व्हाट डिड यू टेल हर? व्हाट वाज योर ब्रीफ लाइक?
Nothing much because I don't like to start with my conversation with the brief and all. First, I called Sneha and I told her, okay, there is a script and I really want you to read the script. And then she read the script, and then we were like, okay, let's talk about the characters. Because music comes out of the situation, music doesn't come from anywhere. So I really wanted my music director and my lyrics writer to be on the same page when we are creating or making music and writing a poetry about these characters or the situations.
हनी, मैं आपके आपके करियर के बारे में पढ़ रहा था थोड़ा सा. आपने थोड़ी सी वॉइस एक्टिंग की है इन अ शॉर्ट फिल्म कॉल रहमान साहब को फोन करना है. डिड यू फील लाइक यार मेरी अपनी पिक्चर है, एक आध छोटा अपीयरेंस हो जाए सुभाष घाई की तरह?
So I'm a very bad actor. I can't say anything doing acting. And that film was made by one of my very close friend, and that time my roommate Sumit Sachdeva, who's a fabulous actor, and he made that film. And I went to meet him for something, and he said, "Are, can you just dub a small thing for me?" So I did it.
लेकिन आपका फ्लोर पर अप्रोच कैसा होता है? आप क्या उन डायरेक्टर्स में से हैं जो सीन करके दिखाते हैं, और डू यू जस्ट लेट द एक्टर्स ऑर्गेनिकली go with the flow and give what they want to?
Not really. I have a very different approach, like more of a theater thing, because my background is from theater. I always put the character in a situation and I allow them to react to the situation. without bothering where the camera is gonna be, and I basically take my only DOP along with me when actors are performing the scene. So me and my DOP will discuss the angles and everything, and I have learned that thing gratefully from Vishal sir, like how he used to free his actors and he used to allow them and give them this space, and that's the kind of thing which really worked in my favor. And because these are the character who are living in that house, I'm actually, if you see deeply, I'm an outsider who's there to tell their story. So I used to tell them, ki, you guys figure out where you want to sit, where is your bike is parked, how you'll be eating, where you are sitting on a dining table. You tell me if it's your house, how will you do it? So lots of like all the actors luckily comes from theater in my film, so they always have their own take. And ki, okay, I'll do it like that. And if I was okay, and we were like, okay, let's do it like that, because a director always know what he wants, but while instructing actors too much, you kind of lose the element of surprise where actor can take so that's why.
और ऐसी कौन सी स्पेसिफिक चीज है जो आपने विशाल भारद्वाज स्कूल ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग से सीखी है, जो
A lot.
आपको हर पल हर सीन में याद रहती है?
See, I won't be able to segregate those things because I have spent my decade and a half with Vishal sir and Abhishek, and who's my business partner also. We run this production house together, me and Abhishek. So, but it's very difficult to segregate. But in totality, I think I would like my work to speak about whatever I have learned from Vishal sir.
राइट कुछ छोटी छोटी नुआंसेस मैंने देखी, फेयरनेस क्रीम वाला एंगल है, फिर किसी कैरेक्टर की बैक स्टोरी के बाबा बावर्ची थे, ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें आप कैसे बिल्ड इन कर लेते हैं स्क्रिप्ट में? पहले से बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट में होता है या फिर आर दीज थिंग्स यू ऐड एंड इम्प्रोवाइज ऑन व्हेन द फिल्म इज बीइंग शॉट?
इस केस में स्मिता ने काफी ज्यादा रिसर्च की हुई थी, उसके अलावा हमने 2-2.5 साल इस स्क्रिप्ट के ऊपर काम किया, and we wanted to figure out why there is a particular thing, even with Jatil Yadav, the name, why he's Jatil Yadav, because no parents will keep his son's name Jatil Yadav. So the reason, and then I came up with ki, okay, what if his name was Jatin? And high school marksheet में यूपी वगैरह में कई बार हुआ है कि किसी का डेट ऑफ बर्थ गलत हो गई, किसी के नाम के स्पेलिंग, बट वो छप जाता है. So that's the kind of answer he always had against his mother, ki you never got it changed, and he became Jatil Yadav. But you see what a name does to a person, and Jatil Yadav uska naam hai, and he is actually such a Jatil person, what he has become. And it's a journey of indirectly how Jatin became Jatil, and Jatil now again tries to become Jatin.
मैं जब भी कोई सस्पेंस फिल्म देखता हूं, मुझे लगता है कि मैं कई बार सोचता हूं क्या डायरेक्टर एंड रिवील सारे एक्टर्स को बता देते हैं, और इज इट नॉट टोल्ड टू एवरीवन सो दैट इवन देयर ओन परफॉर्मेंस डजंट रिवील इवन सबकॉन्शियसली कि अच्छा मैंने खून किया या नहीं किया है? क्या आप एंड रिवील बता देते हैं सारे एक्टर्स को, सारे मेन एक्टर्स को?
मैं बता देता हूँ. I'm a very honest person in that manner. I really want not only to the actors, even all my crew, my ADs, my technicians, everybody knows the complete entire script, because it's very important. They should feel the same kind of ownership on the film, the way I feel. So I think it's a collaborative thing, and they feel very trusted when they know that nothing is being hidden from them.
Honey, this film is set in the Hindi heartland. Nawaz is playing a police wala, and yet there is not a single gali in the script. Was that a conscious decision?
Yeah, there is no gali. I think there wasn't any need of any gali. एंड बट अगर गाली की जरूरत होती तो मुझे गाली डालने में कोई संकोच नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट इज वो हमारी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी का एक फैक्ट है. सो आई एम नॉट शाइंग अवे फ्रॉम यूजिंग कर्स वर्ड और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट आई थिंक इन दिस फिल्म देयर वाजंट एनी नीड.
राइट. वाज इट डिफिकल्ट टू कन्विंस नवाज? हाउ वाज दैट लाइक? बिकॉज ये बहुत अलग तरह का नवाज वाला रोल है.
No, 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 no. Nawaz was the first person because me and Nawaz, हम लोग एक दूसरे को काफी सालों से जानते हैं, and we know the liking about each other, and so many things we have discussed. And I went to Nawaz with this script because he was the first choice, and he took his time because he was very busy during that time with Manto and all. So then one day he met me at Vishal sir's office. He said, "What is happening?" I said, "I'm just waiting to hear from you." He said, "No, no, I'm doing that film. So let's start." So I said, "Okay, fine." So it was like kind of, he loved that script from the day one when I narrated him the character. So then he was like completely there.
Right, Nawaz on board, Radhika on board, and thanks to Netflix, I've been able to see the film, and it looks like you have a winner, another casting director making a grand directorial debut. Congratulations, honey, and congratulations to Radhika, who we can't see on screen. कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो Netflix के लिए एक और शो शूट करने चली गई है. But we'll see all these people in action on the 31st of July when Raat Akeli Hai releases on Netflix. Good luck, honey, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so very much. Lovely talking to you.